Hello my beautiful Leo, this is Fire of Fate, and in this video guys we are gonna see how your person thinks about you in the month of June 2020. So guys, here are your cards and they're getting shuffled for you my love. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's going on in their mind, with whom my beautiful Leo is dealing with. Okay, let's see. Okay, what's going on in their mind, with whom my beautiful Leo is dealing with? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. Okay. So what I feel with the card right now is that, guys, the person you're dealing with is not pleasing anybody right now. Okay, and they are going through a lot of stuff in their own life, and because of that they are not giving attention to anybody right now. Okay, yeah, exactly. This person might have stepped back from this relationship, okay, because they are very much confused. Okay, what is the blockage? What is the problem? Okay, what is the problem? I just want to know that. What is the problem? What is the problem? Okay. Guys, what I see with this card in front of me, that the person you're dealing with definitely got stuck in something. I mean, there might be a new love or third party in this relationship for some of you. If not love, then this person is busy with something. uh, for example, COVID-19 is going on. If that might be a reason, okay, for some of you, they might be focusing on their family, friends, whatever, or their work. If they are a doctor or all that, police officer, police department, army, navy, air force, they might be stuck in their own duty and all that stuff. But those who are in a strong connection, definitely a third party relationship I can see, and that is a big blockage for you my love. Okay, so your person, wherever they are very much confused, because they have romantic feelings for you also, and they have developed that feeling for someone else out there, and that is a big issue right now with your person. Okay, why things are so confused? Why? I mean, just wait. Okay. Okay, so what I see with the cards in front of me, why this has happened. This has all happened because there might be distance between you two, or you two were not talking too much recently or in the past, and because of that they thought that they need to move on, or they need someone else behind the scene, behind the curtain, to fulfill their needs. Because your person, wherever they are very optimistic, but right now someone has definitely knocked their door, and they want to open their heart to that particular person. That's why he or she is very much confused right now in the month of June 2020. They are very optimistic, but because of this optimisticity, your person is very much confused right now, because in the front of them right now there are a lot of options. Okay, and because of that option they are very much confused. Okay, why? What was that in the past? Oh, what was there in the past? I just want to get why this is happening. Okay. Okay, what I see with the cards in front of me, that someone over here, you two might have gone through a fighting, an argument or something, and because of that, guys, you both are guarded against each other, and because of this third party might have entered in your relationship. Now I can see the triangle in this relationship between you and your person. Okay, so they think that they are very much stuck, who to choose and who not to choose. Okay, because the relationship was definitely in and out with the Knight of One in your reading, and we can see the Wheel of Fortune. It talks about the divine timing is playing its own role. I think in the past you two had never shared the feelings. That heart to heart conversation was very much needed in this relationship. Okay, but one thing is for sure, guys, this person, whoever he is, let me check to confirm. Okay, let me check that. Okay, okay, okay. So what I see with the cards in front of me, the you person, wherever they are, they doesn't want to make a relationship with this third party, with the Empress in reverse. Okay, devil is in a pride. They doesn't want to make any sort of relationship, long standing relationship with this new person. They want to work with you, they want to marry you, what I see with the cards. And right now they really want to have sex with you. Okay, the sex is gonna be a very major, going to play a very major role in this relationship right now in the month of June 2020. Okay, so I just want to tell you one thing, that situation is very bad for those who are going through a lot of problems. You need to be very much optimistic right now, because the person, I mean, just need to clarify it to get confirmed. Okay. Yeah, guys, what I see with the cards in front of me, Emperor, King of Cups in reverse, Hermit in upright. Guys, what I see with the cards right now is that the person you're dealing with is in deep love with you. Okay, give them chance, because uh, they have a lot of feelings for you, but they have never opened all the feelings, and I see that in near future this particular person whom you are dealing with right now is definitely gonna open up or going to express their love to you. Okay, but the problem is that his or her mind is very much stuck. That is the biggest issue. you know what is killing this relationship, what I see right now. I just need to clarify those so that we can get a clear picture right now why. Okay. Okay, what I see with the Judgment card over here in a pride condition, but the Six of Wands is in reverse. Okay, but I see the Ten of Pentacle also in a pride. That is very cool. It talks about, guys, the you person, wherever they are just in their mind. Okay, so they are stuck in their mind. They don't know what to do and what not to do. They think that they need to take a very big change in their own life, because their life is on a turning point. Okay, and because of that they need to sacrifice something. I think they need to sacrifice this third party to come towards you, and definitely they are gonna do that. Okay, this is all going in their mind right now. They want to sacrifice this person because they don't want to marry them, because you are a marriage material, what they think right now. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, so what I see with the cards in front of me, that the people around you wants you to communicate. That's very good option, guys, for you. I mean, a heart-to-heart conversation is very important for this relationship right now. If you two are separated and third party might have entered in this relationship, the person you're dealing with definitely in love with you. They want to express their love through gifts, through emotions and all that. They want to touch you, that's for sure. And if this person is thinking of having sex with you, that means I definitely feel that they want to marry you. Okay, I don't see just one night stand. Okay, because I can see the heart to heart conversation is there, and the people around you see you as a couple. Okay, but they see that you two fight very oftenly, and that is not good. You two have definitely a passion towards each other, and this relationship is very lovey-dovey type. Okay, though there are a lot of heated argument between you and them, but still everybody out there see you as a strong couple, definitely. Okay, so what I see that your person wherever they're very passionate about you, but little bit egoistic in nature. Sometimes they get deceptive also. The person problem is the person you are dealing with has a problem that they always try to mingle with lot of people, and because of that, they get stuck in something. You can understand that. But definitely they want a relationship with you, a long standing. Okay, if you already in a relationship, if you are already in a marriage type situation, then you don't need to be worried. Okay, but if you are in a girlfriend or boyfriend mode, okay, and not yet married, then definitely heart to heart conversation is very much important right now. you know the only single thing which can make this relationship act together is heart to heart conversation, because the person you're dealing with has a lot of romantic feeling for you, and they still want to explore their life with you. But the problem, I already told you, that someone has entered in this relationship, and most probably the third party, or your person might have got attracted towards some work and job and all that stuff. They are very much involved in that. But stay optimistic, because definitely this person is going to come back. Don't cut the conversation with this particular person. Just WhatsApp them, text message them, try to get connected with this person as quick as possible, because I think the person you are dealing with definitely wants to say sorry. Okay, I see that your person wherever they are, they want you badly. Yeah, if you talk to this person, they are gonna say you sorry. That's for sure, guys. That's for sure. They are very sensitive and definitely ready for love. What I see with the cards in front of me right now. But until and unless they come out of their head, because you two are definitely thinking little bit bad about each other, that he has betrayed me, he has backstabbed me, and that is an issue. You want them to talk to you first, and they want you to do same, and that is a pause. Definitely I see that the person who has done wrong is definitely going to apologize in this situation. Okay, what else is there? Oh, two of swords. Two of pentacles. Oh my god. So what I see with the cards in front of me, there is little bit blockage still in the June. There is going to be stalemate. As I told you earlier, that your person is thinking in the wrong direction as well as you. What it talks about, that you both are thinking that nothing is going to come positive in this relationship, and that is holding you two back. I just want you people to keep an open mind, be optimistic, because the person you're dealing with, I think, is a little bit differ from your usual type or expectation. The person you're dealing with definitely a soulmate type situation, but they may be from different religion, different caste, creeds, social status may be different between you two. Okay, because two of pentacles and two of swords, that is in reverse. This is an upright, but this is in reverse. And the three of cups is in reverse. That talks about the third party, that I already told you, the new love. So overall, this relationship is definitely going to progress in near future. Physical relationship is definitely going to be major turning point in this relationship. Okay, I don't advise anybody to have sex with their partner until and unless you are married. But I just want to tell you that if you are already married in a committed relationship, just like a live-in relationship, then then it's okay for you guys, because this person, the person you are dealing with, definitely you are on their mind very heavily, and they definitely want to leave the third party with the Empress reverse and Devil is an upright. So here what I see, the win-win situation for you, my Leo, but the thing is that there will be some sort of stalemate, because the outcome is not that much positive for you guys. Positive in what sense? Positive in action, because this is the thinking stage, but in thinking stage they are also very much stuck in their own head. Okay, so guys, this was the reading for you, my love. Bye, take care guys.